how to send money from Western Union to the Philippines. So here's what you want to do. Log into your account after you have opened up the Western Union app, and I'm just going to give it some time here to load. Okay, so what you want to do, I'm going to start a new transfer, so it will not be saved. Okay, we will start a new transfer. Send to, you will choose the Philippines here from this list. So let me just find the, okay, I can search for it. So Philippines, choose the Philippines here and type the amount which you want to send to the Philippines. So let's say 10 of this currency. It's going to calculate how much the receiver will get, and it's going to show you the available methods. So they can do, how will your receiver get it? They can choose cash pickup. That's the only thing that they can do. And how will you pay, depending on your version of the app here and which region you live in. It is either going to give you the option to pay in cash, or you can use your card. Now for me, it's only available to pay in cash, so I can only do that. But I'll click on next here. It is going to ask for the receiver's information, so you need to put in your receiver's first name, last name, and the middle name and email are optional, as well as the phone number. After you have created your receiver here, I'm just going to do this as an example. So after you have created your receiver, it's going to ask you, okay, it's going to ask me to verify my identity, but basically you will go through the prompts and then you will send the money using your card if it allows it, like I said. And that's basically how you do it. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.